Another way that we can loop in Java through arrays is using the enhanced for loop. So with this for loop, you can see that there are too many moving parts. So initialize I, tell it when to stop, increment I, and then access the element at this particular index. So this is a lot. And instead, what we can do is, you can even see that IntelliJ is telling me loop can be replaced with enhanced for loop. So the enhanced for loop is as follows. So you say for, and then parentheses, and inside you basically create a variable. So here, the data type that we are working with is strings. So here I'm going to say string and give it a name. So here I'm going to say name and then colon and the name of the array. So in our case, it's names. And then add the curly brackets, and this is it. Now I could just say south and then name. So this name is this. So the first iteration, this variable name in here will be James. Then it moves along to the next element, Nadia, Sophia, Alex, Sally, and finally Aisha. So it knows how to move to the next element, but it also knows when to stop. So at this point, if it reaches the end, there is no need to carry on. So it just stops for you. So here, let me just add a south in here, and then I'm going to say enhanced for loop and duplicate this. And in here, I'm going to say for loop. And usually we call this as the for I loop because of this I variable in here. So again, I think I didn't mention, but this I in here could be anything. You could say foo, but then you have to refer to it in here. But I is the naming convention. So back to this enhanced for loop. So now if I run this, check this out. So you can see that it works the exact same behavior. Have a look. James, Nadia, Sophia, so on and so forth. So here, the same way. Now, you might be wondering, okay, so we have two ways of looping. Why do I need two constructs for looping through arrays? Well, let me explain that in the next video.